Yeah, a one time, Youngster. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Morris, the critic.
Right, yes, welcome. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Clippers with Z. We are located in Tinda, Ministers Village, and I really want to remind you that we have a school of beauty, and those who would want to come and join us, yes, come for the admission for that January intake. Yes, because we are going to be preparing for our January intake. And I'm also very happy that I'm one of the instructors who is going to be teaching you all these things. So for now, I would like to greet everyone who is watching wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell, so that we start together. Yes, on this channel, this is where you always find different types of hairstyles. Yes, I don't specialize in one hairstyle. I always do different types of hairstyle, and we upload videos every week. So now, this time around, before we go further, these are the questions that I always expect from you. But please, this time around, I'm going to include everything in this video so that I will see those who have watched the video to the extent that they are not going to ask those questions. So as we are starting, I always tell you that I love doing this method of the inward knotless. Are you seeing how it is? This one, when you do it from inside, just like this. This method is very, very nice, and according to me, my experience, that we have found out like it lasts longer than these other methods. Like these other methods. So you should always learn how to do it. And another thing is, it is very easy for it when the hair grows, and you can just lock the hair. You can lock the hair, and when you lock it, this doesn't mean that it's now permanent, no, and it doesn't mean that you cannot unbraid it yourself as long as you lock it once. So there is nothing like over like your hair is not going to add and braid. So after doing that, we have to make sure that our hair is protected, and this hairstyle, it is going to be individually, as you can see, but all in all, I just want us to first learn how to do this method. Another thing, like, make sure that your portions are very, very perfect, like those lines, and make sure that very, very lined, because when we are doing it, we have to be having the middle line, the sideway line of the left side, and the sideway line of the right side. It just to help this client to keep on changing her hair the way she wants. So after all that, we are not going to touch on the hair again. Like, we're not supposed to touch on it. What we're going to do is just to crochet inside, like the way we are doing the other goddess. Those also do the goddess braids. Yes, so here we're going to attach our a soft kinky hair extension from Darling Company, and I'm going to be showing you the hair piece so that you can see the hair that we use. Yeah, those are the questions that I always get someone asking, the hair pieces that we use, and yet I always include them in the video. And on this one, we use like 4 pieces. At least those ones are recommendable. Why? It is because when this thing is big, remember, after we always trim it. So we have to make it big in the way that it creates that volume, because whenever it grows it shrinks. So we always have to pack it very well so that we create that volume. So after all this, let's see how it is going to be, but at least we have seen our method and how we are applying these crochet. We are not tampering with hair at all, and we are starting it from down, as you can see. That's why we are calling it the branchy braid. So let's see how it looks.
Confidence said we give it out to like you with the best to none. And ya wakana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big ballers, shot callers, tukola kwa babaze ulida. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody, sleepers, with the best. Everybody, sleepers, with the best. Everybody, sleepers, with the best. Everybody, sleepers, with the best.
Someone else is saying like you just braid the hair only. No, we're trying to add in this little bit of the afro kinky. Yes, then when we add in this, it's also still making the firmness, like it also makes it look be firm. Sorry, like mostly we do this when the hair is, let's say like just somebody else who have got soft hair that you're not going to braid her hair only. But I would always advise, like when you're plating someone with thick hair, don't add on any extension. Yes, just braid her hair, and then these extensions are just going to be on top. Yes, that would be my advice when it comes to that. So for her, we're just adding it because her hair it is not all that thick. Yes, it is not all that thick, so we're trying to add in to create that firmness. And the plating, this is how we just have to braid. You can see how she's twisting the crochet just like that. So let's continue and see how it is going to look like.
Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Confidence said we give it out to like you with the best to none. Anya wakana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big ballers, shot callers, tukola kwa babaze ulida. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody, sleepers, with the best. 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 Hair by clippers. 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 Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko.
Now we have reached the time of trimming. This is where you just have to be very careful, and this is where you just have to give out your art. yes, how your art is going to look like. Because here, remember, our hair is all protected, so we don't need to get scared of now trimming. I may trim someone's hair. No, we're just trimming the hair the way it is supposed to be. But all in all, here you just have to be very, very careful as you're trimming so that you bring out the shape. Yes, and now most of you might fail to do this because of the trimming, because trimming is not that easy, but we need to learn how to do it in the way that when we trim it, it creates that that afro look. Yes, that afro look, because we need to have that look. Now I'm gonna be signing out, but my name is Maurice, the crochet master. I work at Hair by Clippers, and I want to remind you, we have a beauty school, and that is Hair by Clippers Beauty School. You can always come and join us, and yeah, for the January intake, admission is in progress, so come and book your seat for the January intake. We love you so much, and I myself, I love you so much. I would like, if you have any question that you need to ask, just go in the comment section, ask me that question. And I always love it when you like the video. Please, yes, you can give me a like and tell me where you're watching this video from. Yes, I always love that whenever you tell me where you're watching these videos from. You can see how amazing it looks. I love it so much in the way that now it looks like it would be like a crochet, but it is not a crochet. So that one means that everyone who would want to do it, it is going to be very easy for you. So now let's get to the hair extension that we use, and this is how it looks, the soft kinky from Darling Company. You can see, and I told you that we have to use 4 pieces. Those are recommendable, but you can use 3 according to what you want. Yes, but for me on this one, I used 4. Let me sign out. May the Lord bless you all.